Go to www.africapresslist.com, click Client Login. At this page, you log in with the login details that you have entered when you registered. You can enter either your username or email address and your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click Forgot Password to get a new password. If your login is successful, you will see your dashboard as a client. An updated and saved press release can always be edited by clicking All Press Releases and subsequently clicking the green button Edit at the right of the applicable press release. You can also clone a sent press release as a basis for a new press release by clicking Clone. How to send your press release is addressed in the next sheets. You click Edit at the press release you would like to send out. If you think the draft press release is ready to be sent out, you can click the button Update and Save. You will subsequently see the following screen. With the blue button below Test Your Press Release, you can send a test email to an email address. A dialog box appears in which you can fill in the email address to which you want to send the test email. The test email will soon appear in your desired mailbox. You may decide to edit the draft press release before you want to send it out. If you want to edit your press release, you click the red button Go Back. Otherwise you will make the steps to select the different distribution options. Standard is that your message is sent to the editors of Africa Business Communities for free. In addition, you can select different options: distribution by email, either directly or at a specified time or date, to LinkedIn group of Africa Business Communities, to Twitter account @AfricaBiz, and or to the news sites of Africa Business Communities and Nigeria Business Communities. You can select all options in one time or only a few or one. If you select Twitter, your press release will be distributed through Twitter with the hashtags that you have entered. Please be aware of the maximum number of characters of a Twitter message, in total 140. The selection of Twitter is for free and no credits will be charged. If you click Send, the press release will be sent through the account of @AfricaBiz. Of course, you can retweet it. The link in the Twitter message links to a special URL displaying the press release in a browser format. You can also find the URL of the press release by clicking Edit at the right of the applicable press release in the All Press Releases list. You can also select the news sites of Africa Business Communities and Nigeria Business Communities. The selection of Africa Business Communities and Nigeria Business Communities is for free and no credits will be charged. The press release will be published on the news sites of Africa Business Communities and, if selected, Nigeria Business Communities. You can also select one LinkedIn group of Africa Business Communities, where your message will be posted. This option will cost you 20 credits. If you select the option Send directly into Mail Queue, your distribution lists will be displayed, of which one you will have to select. The number of journalists and bloggers will determine how much credits will be charged to you. We advise you to update the distribution list before you use it, because new journalists may have been registered since you have used the distribution list for the last time, and if you do not update, these journalists will not be selected. You update a distribution list by clicking Distribution List and All Lists at the left sidebar. You select the list you want to update. You click the red button of Filtering Options at the right side to expand and display this menu option. The filtering options have been saved together with the distribution list. If you do not want to change the filtering options, You just click the green button Search at the bottom of the filtering options. The result will look like as follows. With a big selection of journalists, we would advise to collapse the list of journalists by clicking the blue button at the right side of the top of the list. You update the list by clicking the green button Update at the bottom of the screen. If you want to send out a press release by email at a certain date and time, you can select the option Choose Date and Time. A box Press Distribution Date and Time will appear at the right side of the screen. There you can select the exact date and hour at which you want to release your press release. The time is standard set at your local time. With this option, we advise you not to select any other distribution method since the other distribution channels, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., will not be time controlled. If you click the green button Send, the press release will be sent to the mail queue, either directly or indirectly, at the date and time as set specifically. Dependent upon the size of your distribution list, the press release will be sent as quick as possible. As mail engine, the Africa Press List uses Mandrill, the biggest worldwide email platform powered by MailChimp.